So welcome. And now we are moving to the business, to the actual business. And I'm going to show you how to procure using the Chinese agent. And after that, we are going to move to procurement without the agent. I'm showing you this in order for you to understand the basis of the business. Because if you know how to procure using the Chinese agent, it will be easy for you to deal directly without using any agent, as in doing it yourself. So we'll go to 16. This is a Google Chrome. And what I want to tell you is, okay, let's move on. So you go to 1688.com. It has brought it. So you enter and wait for the site to come up. So the site is up, 1688.com, and all you can see is in Chinese. But Google Chrome will try to translate it for you. And you can see at the top of, even if you use your phone, Google Chrome will also translate it for you. What you do is to set your phone to desktop mode. Desktop, yes. If you turn your phone, that Google Chrome that you have on your phone, if you set it to desktop mode, it will translate it for you like it is translating it for me here. So I'll go, it said this page could not be translated. So I said it should try again. So by so doing, it has translated it to English. As you can see, this women's, men's underwear, and other things like that. Everything has been translated to English. Now we'll move to how you can source the product. You use the search button. This is the search space. This is the space where you can type what you want to search for. But I don't normally advise some people to search typing by using English language, because it restricts the number of search results, and it limits your option of choosing between or among various sellers. So now what you do is you go to, I open another tab, I go to Google Translate, I type Google Translate, it has brought it. You try Google, the site is googletranslate.com, and you click on it. But before we move on, I want to tell you something here. At this junction, what I'm doing on this system, you can do it on your phone as well. This Google Translate has an app, a mobile app on Play Store that you can download like a normal way of downloading any application on your phone. And once you download it, you can use it to do the same thing that I am to do here. But don't worry, if I have enough time, I will do a screen recording of my phone downloading Google Translate and using it to do some of the things that I want to do here. So now I want to translate my English to Chinese. So let's say I'm looking for a smartwatch. I will write smart watch. You can see that the application is translating it immediately. So I'll copy it. Again, before I move on, you can choose between languages. You can choose among languages. There are a lot of languages there. You can choose. So you choose, because if you open yours, it might not come with English and Chinese. Because I've been using it over time, that's why you see the default as being English and Chinese. So you choose the language. I've chosen English from here, from the options here, and I've chosen Chinese from the options here. So I'll copy the translation and take it to 1688.com. I'll paste it there. It has been pasted, and search. So this will allow us to have a lot of options from sellers. It will display a lot of options of smartwatches, sellers, and so you can make choice. Like for instance, you can see this smartwatch. I sold a hell out of this smartwatch when it was hot, and you see it's going for $20 if you are buying more than 50,000 pieces, and it's going for $30 if you are buying 100 and between 100 and 499 pieces, and it's going for $32 if you are buying between 1 and 99. And you can see various price, different smartwatches. You see this one is going for $260 if you are buying like 300 pieces, and if you are buying between 1,000 and I don't know 2,999, it's going for 265 yuan. All these things are in yuan. No, don't forget, it's not dollar. So see this very very nice smartwatch is going for 28 yuan. I don't know whether it's a smartwatch. You just with this search, it will bring a lot of random stuff to you. So this one is going for 28 yuan, and you can see it's a beautiful wristwatch. See, this smartwatch is going. This one I've shown you before. I've shown it to you. It's quite expensive, and you can see a lot of fine, nice wristwatches going for prices that are quite alright. So now, from here, you can actually choose the buyer that you want to buy from, the one you prefer, based on price. Like now, this smartwatch is the same thing as this, but the price is different. This one is 32 yuan if you are buying between 1 to 99 pieces, and this one is 26 yuan if you are buying from 50 to 99. So we will go for this. We will go for 32 when you can actually get it for 26. So you can see, you just buy it here. This one is cheaper. You just click this seller, and then after clicking this seller here, because we are buying through an agent, we need to do something, which is, let me show you. This is another browser. I just want to use this browser, which is, we go to chrisvicmore.com. This chrisvicmore.com, they are Chinese import agents. they are domiciled in Nigeria. You can see from their site your China trusted agent. So they are in Nigeria. They have an office. I think their office is in Ikeja. Yeah, I've been there before. Their office is in Ikeja. So if you want to register, you click this button, and if you let me quickly do something here. I'm using this browser now. So chrisvicmore.com is coming up. So now if you want to log in, you click here, and if you want to register, you click here. So let's just try and see the registration portal. So you can see first name, last name, username, email address, password, and so on and so forth. You provide all these things and you register. That's how easy their registration is. But if you are registered already, you just log in. If you are registered already, you just log in. You just log in, you enter your username and the password. So now we are logged in. We are logged in. You can see log out. So we are logged in. So to actually work with these people, you click on dashboard to go to their dashboard. Now they have even provided a search button where you can search terms or copy and paste stuff from the 1688.com and search it through their website. So now you can see this my dashboard, my login with them. I've done some business with them when I didn't know about importing directly myself, as in talking to the seller or manufacturer from China myself. So now if you want to place order, you click on order placement. So they have only purchase order, only shipping order, purchase and shipping check out. So now if you don't know how to talk to the Chinese agent, you will definitely be forced to click on purchase and then shipping order. But once you know how to order your stuff yourself, talk to the Chinese agent and tell them to send it to these people, you can only click on only shipping. But now I'll be clicking on purchase and shipping because, as I said, I really want you to understand the process. So I'm clicking on purchase and shipping. So yes. Now we are here now. So the first thing on this is website name. So you click on the website that you choose the website that you want to buy from. There are lots of websites that you can buy from. You can buy from JD.com, 1680.com, dhgate.com, aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, taoba.com, Tmall.com, buybar.com, and etc. So now we are buying from 1688.com, so we click on it. And once we click on it, we go back to the link to the to 1688 to copy the link of the product that we want to buy. I will come back here and paste the link. You tell them the unit price of the product that you are buying. So we are going back to 1688.com to see the unit price. So you can see if you are buying between 50 and 99. If you are buying between 50 and 99, they don't have anything less than 50 here. So if you are buying between 50 and 99, it is 26 yuan. Don't get it twisted. There are other sellers that sells less than 50. You can buy any quantity with some sellers, but this particular one said this is their condition. They are not selling less than 50. So their unit price is what? Is 26 yuan. So you write the 26, just write 26 here. They know it's yuan. So now the quantity, maybe you are buying 50 on the dot. You type in 50. Enter product option here. Enter the product option like color and size for easy processing. So this one is optional. You can choose, if you check this site again, 1688, you will see that there are a lot of colors. There are different colors here. You have the brown, the black, and the white. Yes. So now, this color you may actually want. So let's go back to Chris Vickmore. So those colors you may actually want. You just type the color that you want. Maybe you want white and black. So you just type it. If you have the seller number, you insert it. But in this situation, you don't have the seller number. So you add to cart. Click on add to cart. The site will now redirect you in order for you to be able to add it to cart. But adding to cart does not necessarily mean that you've placed order. And before you can place order, you need to make payment upfront. And no doubt, if you are using this procurement process, you shouldn't be afraid. And most of your procurement, you will be paying upfront. Whether you are doing it this way or you are doing it the importer way, like talking directly to the Chinese, you'll be paying upfront. But all these guys are trusted and tested, so they don't have issues. Unlike us here, we are good people as well. So now they say they are giving they search for it, and this is a new feature. They search for it and they send what you want to buy. They tell you the unit kg, that's 0.10 kg, and all the features of the product that you want to buy, and you can just add to cart. So enter correct item option will help us to process your order. Let's say you should enter correct item option. So let's say black. So now we just add to cart. So we add to cart, and once we add to cart, it will be there for us. Let us say you have successfully added an item to your cart. Remember to place your order when you are done. To view your cart, click here. So if you click your cart, so you can see it in my cart already. The amount is $999 to pay for the 50 smartwatches. The price, the procurement, that is what I'm talking about. The charge procurement fee. So the fee is $5. That's about 2,000 naira or so. So the fee is $5 that they charge on it, and the price is 3.88. So that's it, and they charge the price per link. We submitted the link. If you submit another link, they will charge another procurement fee. So before you can place order, they say place order. If you click on place order, I'm just testing something, because if you click on it will tell you something. Order processing and shipping of goods from China will be delayed for 3 days. No, this is not what I'm looking at. So please select the items you want to place order for. So we should select the item that okay, we've not selected the item. So I select the item, I place order. So it will tell us to go and pay before we place order. So it said you have insufficient balance to place this order. You will need at least $999 in your account before you can place this order. So you can see. So now to add money to this, to add funds or money to this account, you need to go to account history. When you get to wallet, my wallet. Yeah, you go to my wallet. When you get there, you look for pay with bank. You can pay with Bitcoin. So you choose any bank of choice. Like they have First Bank, Zenith Bank, Fidelity Bank, GTB, Diamond Bank, Union Bank, Ghana, Access Bank. So you choose any bank of choice. And once you choose the bank of choice, you come back here. You choose the bank of choice. You come back. You pick their account number and the account name. So once you go to bank and make payment, you come back to notification. No, you come back to coming. It's no longer I use this. So you come back to payment notification. So if you click on payment notification, it will redirect us to this place, and here is you enter the name that you use in paying the money. You enter the amount that you paid. You enter the currency, which is naira or cedis. Bank you paid to. You enter the name of the bank you paid to and the date that you pay, and you submit. Immediately you submit, and they confirm that you've made payment. They will credit your account, and once they credit your account, you can actually you can then go and place the order as we rightfully said the other time. So this is the end of this class, and the next we are going to be looking at is another means of procurement and another means of searching for products on 1868.com. Thank you. God bless.